Functions in Python. Functions are a fundamental concept in Python programming. They allow us to break down our code into smaller, reusable pieces. In Python, we define a function using the def keyword, followed by the function name and parentheses. We can then call the function by using its name followed by parentheses. Function parameters. Function parameters are variables that we define within the parentheses of a function. They allow us to pass values into the function when we call it. We can specify multiple parameters by separating them with commas. These parameters act as placeholders for the values that will be passed into the function. Function return values. Functions can also return values back to the caller. We use the return keyword followed by the value we want to return. When a function encounters a return statement, it immediately exits and returns the specified value. We can then assign this returned value to a variable or use it in other parts of our code.